Welcome to the Ethiopian Construction Channel. We are glad to have you here. Our channel is dedicated to delivering professional, reliable, and high-quality construction content. We work with experienced professionals in the construction industry to share practical knowledge, modern techniques, and real project insights. Let us learn together. Today, we will see about basic concept of structure in building. A structure in a building is a system of interconnected elements that work together to support loads and ensure safety and stability. It is the part of the building that carries the entire weight and keeps the building standing safely. The main function of a structure is to carry all types of loads acting on the building and transfer them safely to the ground without failure. These loads include the weight of the building itself, people, furniture, equipment, and natural forces like wind and earthquakes. Without a proper structure, a building cannot remain safe or stable. That is why structure is often called the backbone of a building. Meaning of safe and stable structure. When we talk about a building, one of the most important things is that its structure must be safe and stable. A safe structure is one that protects the people inside and ensures the building does not collapse, even under normal or extreme conditions. To be safe, a structure must be able to carry all the loads acting. First, it must support the weight of the building itself. This is called the dead load, which includes walls, floors, roofs, and all permanent parts of the building. Second, it must support live loads, which include people moving inside, furniture, equipment, and even vehicles in parking areas. These loads change with time, but the structure must handle them safely. Third, it must resist natural forces such as wind, earthquakes, rain, and snow. These forces can be unpredictable, so the building must be designed to withstand them. A safe structure also includes a factor of safety. This is an extra margin built into the design so that even if unexpected or heavier loads occur, the structure does not fail. Second, stable structure. A stable structure is one that remains steady and balanced at all times. Stability means the building stays upright under all loads, resists movements caused by wind, earthquakes, or other forces, maintains its shape without tilting, swaying excessively, or collapsing. Think of stability as the building's ability to stand firm no matter what happens around it. Without stability, even a strong structure can become unsafe. For example, a building that sways too much and winds or trembles during an earthquake can cause damage or panic, even if it doesn't collapse immediately. In simple terms, a structure is safe and stable when it can carry all types of loads, resist environmental forces, and remain upright and steady. It's like the skeleton of the building. Just as a strong skeleton keeps a human body upright and safe, a strong and stable structure keeps a building standing and protects the people inside. When engineers design a building, they always make sure it is both safe and stable so it can last for decades without major problems. Main requirements of a safe structure. For a structure to be safe and reliable, it must meet certain basic requirements. The first requirement is strength. A structure should be strong enough to carry all applied loads without breaking or failing. The second requirement is stability. The structure must remain steady and should not collapse, tilt, or overturn under any condition. The third requirement is durability. A structure should last for a long time without serious damage, corrosion, or deterioration. The fourth requirement is serviceability. During normal use, the structure should not show excessive cracks, deflection, or vibration that can cause discomfort or damage. The fifth requirement is safety against failure. A structure must have a sufficient factor of safety so that sudden collapse does not occur even under unexpected loads. The sixth requirement is resistance to forces. The structure should be able to withstand environmental forces such as wind, earthquakes, rain, and other natural effects. In brief, a safe structure is strong, stable, durable, and able to resist all loads and forces without failure. Why a structure is strong? A structure is able to carry loads without breaking because of several important reasons. The first reason is proper material selection. Strong and suitable materials like concrete, steel, and timber are chosen based on the type of building and loads. The second reason is good structural design. Engineers carefully decide the correct size, shape, and arrangement of beams, columns, slabs, and foundations. The third reason is correct load distribution. Loads are transferred safely in a proper sequence, from slabs to beams, beams to columns, and columns to the foundation. The fourth reason is quality construction. Proper mixing of materials, correct placement, good curing, and skilled workmanship increase structural strength. The fifth reason is a strong foundation. A firm foundation provides stable support by transferring all loads safely to the soil. The sixth reason is reinforcement. Steel reinforcement helps the structure resist tension, bending, and cracking. In summary, a structure is strong because it uses suitable materials, good design, proper load transfer, and quality construction. Understanding how a structure works helps us design and build buildings that are safe, stable, and long-lasting. A well-designed structure not only supports the building, but also protects the people living and working inside it. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, like the video, share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more professional construction content.